Alright, so YouTubers, we are done adding awesome font to our project. Now if we open our project folder, then we open blank in our browser, then we can see that our awesome font has taken effect on our admin panel that we have just created with Bootstrap. So as you can see, the awesome fonts on our admin panel, and then a lot of things dropping down here. You can see them here and there, chiri chiri, chara chara, and so forth and so on. So with the pictures, we can update them later on when we start working with our main project. We can write PHP codes to pull pictures and upload pictures into our server so that we can use those pictures to replace with these pictures you are seeing here for now. So for now, we just leave them that, and what we need to do now is to move our project folder into our server level and then convert this blank.html to a PHP file, and then we start narrowing down our file and picking some few things and setting up our file to make it very simple for us to be able to access them at any time, at any point. So at this point, I'm going to move my project folder to my server level, and the server I'm using is called ARMS, as you can see it here. I'll open computer, then I'll narrow down to drive C, then I'll go to ARMS folder, then I'll count my www folder. This is where I have all my projects in it. So I'll just move my project folder into my root level, and then I can now access that with my browser. So if I want to access this, I will open my browser now, then I will have localhost and then the name of what? My project folder, which is what? Project. So just like we always do it, I'll just go and copy the name of my folder here by going to my root level folder. Let me see. So I just copy my project folder name as project. We have it here. So I just try to rename it and copy the name here. Then we have localhost. Then I'll paste project there. Then I hit on the go button to load my project. Now it tries to look for an index file, but because there's no index file, then it opens the content of my project folder. Now if I click on blank, then blank will open up with the details we have in the blank folder. So now what we need to do is that we need to convert this blank.html to index.php. That is what we need to do. So I'll go to my project folder, then I will rename my project. So I'll open my project, then I'll rename this to PHP file. So I'll select all, then I have index.php. That is the file. Then I hit enter. Then it tells me that you are about to change the extension of the file, and I said yes, I don't mind. Then now when we refresh our project folder again, then it loads the index.php file, because we have an index file in our project. So we have been able to convert what our HTML file into a PHP file. So we stop here, and then we look at the next thing, how to separate or narrow this file down so they can access each of these things individually in your project. So stay tuned with the Da-viruz System, and if you like my tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and visit our Facebook page and subscribe to our Facebook page for more updates. Until our next tutorial, we do the chiri chiri chara chara, and I'm out of here.